All right, guys, happy Friday, everyone. Great to be here. Another beautiful day, another spring day that's going to get up in the 70s. I think we'll get up to 74. So it's going to be great working weather. We're getting people coming in every day picking up products, both in our Pennsylvania facility and in the Burlington facility. Stain and rock guard, postcards, everything that you need for your... we're preparing for the Fence Show coming up in October. Looking forward to that. It's at the South Point Hotel and Casino in Vegas. It's going to be warm. It's going to be beautiful. Looking forward to that, especially as things start to get cooler out in PA. October is fall time. Be nice to get a little extended summer by getting out to the show. Again, those dates are October 7th through the 9th, and we are booth 919. A lot of great things happening. Brian has promised all kinds of fantastic events in the show, during the show, so it might be even a good opportunity to bring your family down. It's a great hotel. They got a beautiful pool. You can't miss us. We'll be there. This year we're going to have a different kind of strength challenging test for you, as opposed to the high lift. We'll give you more details on that a little bit later. We'll keep you in suspense. But yeah, we like to keep that interesting. So we look forward to seeing you at the booth. It's a great show. The team over at the Fence Workers Association do a great job putting that together. Lots of stuff for you to do. Lots of free things for you as well to enjoy. We'll love seeing you at our booth. We'll sure would have some nice swag there for you. So looking forward to it. You'd never know that in that location they would have probably one of the most sophisticated restaurants I've been to in years. I mean, where can you get a Chateaubriand today? I can't think of any place. And if you do know of a good place where they have Chateaubriand, let me know in the comments. I love having a great steak, and every time we go down there, we enjoy that. Great show. We'll be there. There'll be all kinds of other fence companies there, so if you're looking to grow your business, expand the opportunities for you to generate revenues, and just in general, become better at your trade so that you look great in front of your customers, that's what's important. Also, I'll put a shout out to the Coffee with Contractors podcast, our second podcast. That'll be with Darren Pollan. He's a really great fellow. You saw a video from him not too long ago talking about the next-gen stripper from Expert, which is a fantastic product, and we're getting good reviews on it. Really great at taking off water-based stains, which has always been painful. This has given us some new hope at taking that stuff off without being so as toxic that you never want to touch it. But this is a much easier solution for you in working with it on a project. So thank you again for joining us. We appreciate it very much. We look forward to next week's edition, where we'll be talking about some more interesting things in the world of fencing and deck building. Thank you for joining us.